This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, March 4th. I'm Keaton Brown. The boys basketball team advanced to the state semifinals with an impressive 52-42 win over LC Bird on Friday. Clarence Rupert led the way with 22 points and 12 rebounds. Now here's Marche Bird with details on what's coming up on the sports schedule.
Thanks, Keaton. The boys basketball team takes on the Verina Blue Devils tonight at Norview. Game time is 7 p.m. If the Commodores win, they will play for the Class 5 state championship on Wednesday. Tomorrow, the softball team travels to Lansdowne for a scrimmage game that begins at 4:30. Also, the boys soccer team will scrimmage against Great Bridge. The game begins at 5:15 p.m. at Great Bridge. On Thursday, Hain photographers will be at Maury to take team pictures for students involved in spring sports. We're closing out the winter and moving into spring. I sure hope the weather does the same. Back to you, Keaton.
Thanks, Marche. AP test applications and payments are due Friday, March 8th. Ms. Dunn will be in the cafeteria during all 3 lunches to receive them. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's your Commodore News for Monday, March 4th. I'm Keaton Brown, and have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.